Hey there, savvy viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics in a straightforward way. Today's video is titled, How to Find a CVV Number with a Card Number, 2025, and I'm excited to dive in. But before we get started, let's clarify something important. CVV stands for Card Verification Value, and it's that 3 or 4-digit code on your credit or debit card that adds an extra layer of security for online transactions. Now, you might be wondering if you can somehow derive or find this number just from your card number alone. Spoiler alert. You absolutely cannot, and here's why that's a good thing. First off, let's talk about why this is impossible. Your card number is designed to identify your account, but the CVV is a separate, randomly generated code that's meant to be kept secret. It's not stored in databases with your card details for security reasons, so no algorithm or method can pull it up from just the card number. If someone tells you otherwise, it's probably a scam. Steer clear. In 2025, with even stricter regulations like those from PCI-DSS, protecting this info is more crucial than ever. So, what should you do if you need your CVV? Simple. Flip over your physical card and look for it on the back. If it's a contactless card or you've memorized your number, always handle it with care. Remember, sharing your CVV online or via unsecure methods can lead to fraud, so never send it over email or text. Instead, use secure payment gateways that tokenize your info. Now, let's touch on some best practices for 2025. Always use virtual cards for online shopping, enable two-factor authentication on your banking apps, and regularly monitor your statements. By staying vigilant, you're protecting yourself from potential threats. In wrapping up, the key takeaway is that CVV security is non-negotiable. It's there to keep you safe, so don't try to bypass it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.